Animal and play.
Connor, did you learn that from them, or are you trying to teach them that? That figure how that moves.
Gino will pick his nose and eat it. I say it happened.
Oh, right. That's right.
And people go, ooh, and I say,
Okay.
just wait till he starts eating his poop.
Yeah,
That's even better.
that's the two babies. You want to know their names? Can you ask them what their names are?
It's Grace and Autumn.
Say Grace. Awesome.
Grace. Yeah. This
You
sounds
like,
fun.
you like
I could
sit
watch
here
them
and
all
watch
day.
them.
You got a cool job, I guess, getting to sit and watch
You
them.
never know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
So were you like the gorilla man then, like when you there? Okay, you guys all rotate.
We also have this and Muhammad Jungle Trek and the Rafiki Planet Watcher.
I see.
Which doesn't help that the keepers that do stick with these guys are in the same outfit. So thanks. We think she looks something different.
Yeah.
He's over here just chilling out.
Just easy. Over here.
But they still go back to their individual levels. They want to go to another.
They play daddy, daddy.
That guy.
Yeah, this guy wanted to come on.
So would you say take care of like the babies more than mom or the
They're just bored. I want to get him to wave to me. I want to get that one to wave to me. Come over here, hit me in the head. And you see this one over here just playing with the tree branches? Such a beautiful animal. Oh, he's gonna take a nap. Think about his day.